For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Shankh-pushpi, the Asian flower that blooms post-summer and mid-monsoon, is considered part of herbal medicine. Be it for garments, cosmetics, beverages, or for condiments, it might have been inspired by flowers that add some rare hues to the surroundings. Baby blue, indigo, lavender, lilac, royal blue, and several other variants. One such flower, butterfly pea, is abundantly found in southern India. In South India, usually every other house here has this perennial vine, adorning the hedge or the gardens. These flowers that are shaped like a conch, the butterfly pea flower or Clitoria ternate as it is described in scientific lexicon, is a delight to watch. In Hindu religion, the flower is used in the worship of goddess Durga and Lord Shiva. In fact, Hindu mythology has it that butterfly pea is a heavenly plant brought to earth by Guru Shukracharya. The conch-shaped or shank-shaped flower is also known as Asian pigeon wings, Shankhini, Kambumalini, Sadafuli and Shankafuli, and is popularly used as a memory booster and brain tonic. In Ayurveda, the edible flower is used to calm one's mind. The powerful antioxidants of this Asian flower helps in enhancing concentration and calms your brain. The flower can be beneficial for students during their exam preparation. Shankh-pushpi reduces mental fatigue that comes due to long working hours. People with depression should include it in their daily routine as it helps in balancing brain chemicals such as neurotransmitters and ups secretion of dopamine, which in turn keeps the serotonin level under control. It also helps to reduce various symptoms of anxiety, which include restlessness, uneasiness, cold hands and feet, and makes one mentally stronger. The ethanolic extract in these flowers reduces the levels of non-esterified fatty acids, which eventually reduce the risk of heart attacks, heart block and blood clots. This herb is considered safe for pregnant women as it effectively strengthens the uterus and prevents miscarriages. Consult your doctor on using a mixture of Shankh-pushpi and Ashwagandha for a course of 3 to 4 months in case of frequent miscarriages. It stimulates better digestion thanks to the traditional herbs and essential oils present in it. In some of the Asian countries, researchers have said that the consumption of the flower promotes a younger skin. These flowers protect skin cells against oxidative stress or damages by ultraviolet rays and hydrogen peroxide. According to Malaysian researcher, this flower can also have an impact on cancer cells due to the presence of flavonoids in the flower. This memory-boosting herb has no proven side effects, but one should always consult a doctor before starting to use Shankh-pushpi formulations. Since Shankh-pushpi has a mild hypotensive effect, people suffering from low blood pressure should consult a doctor before taking this. Although it has been suggested for pregnancy, the individual must consult her doctor before using, and self-medication should be avoided. As it is a herbal formulation, it has a specific bitter taste. One might feel slightly nauseatic or have a vomiting tendency while consuming the formulation.